Hi guys. My name is Rob and we are doing another unboxing video. Hindi pa ako sanay mag-vlog. So this is like my second time vlogging po. So pasensya na and hope you guys enjoy and see makalat talaga. Here's a receipt from this one. Adidas Boost. Let's see. Also, I got some laces from eBay, which is like $3 for this Desert Sage. I thought it was cool because it comes with the, let's see, unboxing. This is the only time I had day off because I worked yesterday. Also, ako po ay isang private nurse. So stay safe out there, guys. Stay safe. And always wash your hands. So I did. I just took a shower and here's the Desert Sage. Not because my face is like really dry. I didn't put lotion po. And I got this from eBay for like $3. And I think it's shipped from Canada. So I'm gonna change this one and see. And it's also reflective, so it's good. What is this? See, I got a blue one maybe for the cloud whites. I got the reflective cloud whites. And this one maybe for the, which one was it? The mist. Here is a Rejuvenator Salt Protector. Got the 380 mist, and this is the YEEZY Desert Sage. I still haven't worn it. I put some salt protector right here, but I might put another one since I got this one another. Okay. Alright, so let's just put this back out. This is so fresh. I can't wait to use this, guys. Okay. You see boot size 7.5. I have maliit na paa, like tiny feet. So I can't wait to wear this. Alright. I'll put this in here for now. But maybe later I'll make another video for doing the salt protector. So I'll just put it right here. The mist. So here's the mist. Mist. Let's try this again. Okay, so this is the mist 380s. Just got it from Adidas app. Lucky enough. I'm not sure. I like the aliens one, but I wasn't able to get that one, or I wasn't really interested at first until like, you know what? I don't know what to do. I'm saving up a lot of money and might as well get one. So I got one. I got actually 2 pairs. So hopefully fits my dad's. If not, I'm gonna exchange it. So I'm gonna put salt protector as well for here. We'll see. Maybe not. I mean, they said this one is comforting, like really good for the feet. It's way better than 350. That's what I heard. And okay, so I'll just put the unboxing, another unboxing video. So we have like 2 or 3 unboxings. I'm not sure what this one is. I think this is the Wave Runners. Look at 700. Just put that in there. Ooh. I was hesitant to buy this one. It smells good. It's really like a dad shoe. So everybody's getting it. I was like, maybe I'll get one. My first pair of 700s. See. I mean, you can watch a lot of the unboxing video already on YouTube, but this is my first time getting to hold it, getting to feel it. Boost right there. So it looks pretty nice. It really looks like a dad shoe. I like the Inertia one because it's just plain blue. This has a lot of stuff going on. So can't wait to rock this. $300. I think it resells right now for $400 the last time I checked Built app. So there's that. Here you go. Okay. So where's the... I'm not sure where the tag is. Right there. It says made from India. So here you go, guys. Okay. So here it is. I hope it's comfortable. So there's that. And another rejuvenator. Did it have sneaker wipes? Did it include sneaker wipes? Oh, okay. Like you have to clean it before you use it, I guess. So got 6 Soul Shield, feet up to size 13, cleaning pads. I think there's the cleaning pads maybe. Then a traction drag pads, kind of like the ones I got for cloud whites. So there it is. The track pads, yeah, this is the one I got from the what you call it, the other YEEZY cloud whites. So this one you would need a heat gun. Order crap. Ugh, what the hell? Okay. What the hell is that? Apparently I hit the switch on and off, or off. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just 6. No free shit. Hey, this is like $50. Just well, you gotta invest in your shoes, guys. Like, you bought the pair, you gotta take care of it. It's not just because you're gonna resell it, but it's because you want the sneakers to last longer. Like, so you don't have to keep on cleaning it, you know, like it ages. It's always nice to have a clean shoe when you're going out. But yeah, hold on. For like $22. So you need to have a hit gun. Home Depot. Sinabi ng like their video of how to put. Check out the other video. Thank you guys.